You're welcome back to the second class in the first module. Now, this class will be talking about the basic fundamentals and principles of design. And before we continue, I would actually love to have this recommendation to you that if you can find a pen and a paper, just to be able to put down things so you can easily remember everything we talk about. And also, there will be a link in the description below to get access to these documents we are referring to. So, basic design principles. First, we have unity and harmony. We have balance. There's hierarchy. We have scale and proportion. There's dominance and emphasis. And the last one is similarities and contrast. Now, with all these basic design principles, there are things very similar to them, but understanding where they start from is very important.